welcome back to the vlog. And in this week's episode, we're in Interlaken, Switzerland. We're on the train right now. It's a 2-hour train ride, and then we will be in Interlaken for 5 nights. We made it to Interlaken, Switzerland. It's been a long day, so we're gonna go to sleep probably right away. And then tomorrow is gonna be a long tour day. To a cow. Her name's Cherry. How is it, Mom?
I don't know, I've had so many mints.
Taste test. Thoughts?
Crunch in it.
Oh my god, there's more. Oh no.
It's good.
I stuffed my... Good?
I don't know what this one is though. I'm not finishing it.
Mom, would you say that was an immersive chocolate experience?
Very.
It was very good.
Oh yeah. Very
Yeah.
sugar high.
Oh yeah. Now we're driving an hour and a half to get back to the hotel. It's currently almost 7:30 and we're about to go paragliding in Switzerland, in Interlaken, Switzerland. I convinced Dad to do it. Really excited. So.
Right.
So.
This is a video. Say hello.
Hi. Oh, this is fun.
Yeah, right?
Meadows of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Blue, and you are shades of gray, living day to day.
We're in an ice palace. Go. Go, Sophie, go. Go, Sophie, go. Go, Sophie, go.
Even when we're free, it's true. The difference is the same. The colors always change, but the song is the same now. In June, lifting us higher. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear.
And we're now going back down the mountain.
Ooh, we can see so clear.
We're on the train and we're going from Interlaken to Zurich, and we're gonna spend the day in Zurich, and then tomorrow morning we fly to Greece. And that is the end of our adventures here in Switzerland, Interlaken specifically. Now we're in Zurich, but next we're heading to Athens, Greece, where I get to start my study abroad program. Very excited for it. But so we'll see you guys in the next adventure. I'll be vlogging throughout my trips to first Greece, then to Serbia and Bosnia. So I'll keep filming. Yeah, see you guys in the next adventure.